Stuck trying to launch your awesome Laravel project locally? Let's get you coding in minutes. First, you'll need a local server environment. XAMPP is a popular choice downloaded from the official Apache Friends website. Once installed, open the XAMPP control panel and start both the Apache and Miscal services. These are essential for running your Laravel application. Next, navigate to your Laravel project directory using your command line interface. This is where all your project files are located. Make sure you're in the correct directory before proceeding to the next step. Now, the magic command. In your command line, type php artisan served and press enter. This command starts Laravel's built-in development server. Open your web browser and type localhost 8000 into the address bar. If everything went smoothly, you should see the Laravel welcome page. Congratulations, your Laravel project is now running locally. Having trouble? Double-check your env file, ensure your database credentials are correct and that @_debug is set to true for detailed error messages. This can help you quickly identify and fix common issues. Common problems include missing PHP extensions or incorrect database configuration. Search online for solutions specific to your error message. The Laravel community is vast and helpful. And there you have it. You're now equipped to run your Laravel project locally and start building amazing things. Happy coding!